Russian army recently introduced a new repair method for repair and engineer forces where Russian army soldiers repairs vehicles in field using exclusive tactic. Due to conflict in Ukraine, Russian army suffered losses of equipment. But some of them are not destroyed completely. That's why Russian army have implemented this strategy on battlefield. Not fatally damaged vehicles are repaired to be used in next operations. These operations are done usually in rear, but now when there are so much vehicles they just do it simply on field. And how they do it? First, recovery vehicles such as BREM-D, T-16, BREM-K, BREM-1 recover the vehicle from ground. After that they will bring recovered vehicle to closest vehicle repair center and here, they give it to mechanics. Russian army mechanics diagnose vehicles and make decision if it's worth to repair that vehicle. If no, they would usually salvage parts and use it on other vehicles. Sometimes they can even repair these parts if they have a time for it. If it's worth to repair that vehicle, they would make a repair to give it new life. When new vehicle is repaired, they will bring it to frontline units for further use. And that's how Russian army repairs its vehicle arsenal. After repair, mechanics go to tankerdrome and make a test with every single repaired vehicle to ensure safety and combat readiness for repaired vehicle. If you found this topic interesting, be sure to check out our other videos. Be sure to subscribe and share. See you soon in next video.